When it comes to your home's air conditioning and heating needs in Phoenix, Arizona, you need a company that can do it all. That's where Rainforest Plumbing and Air comes in. We specialize in repair, maintenance, and installation services to keep your home comfortable year-round. At Rainforest Plumbing and Air, we're passionate about providing top-quality air conditioning and heating services in Phoenix, Arizona. Our team of experts is here to help with everything from routine maintenance and repairs to complete system installations. We use only the highest quality equipment and take pride in our attention to detail to ensure your system is running at maximum efficiency. Our skilled technicians work tirelessly to keep your home comfortable year-round in the hot Arizona weather. We offer regular maintenance and inspections to prevent costly breakdowns and repairs, and if something does go wrong, our team is always ready to provide prompt and efficient repair services.
Thanks to Rainforest Plumbing and Air's exceptional repair, maintenance, and installation services in Phoenix, Arizona, my home is more comfortable than ever before. Their team is knowledgeable, friendly, and always goes above and beyond to exceed my expectations. I highly recommend Rainforest Plumbing and Air to anyone looking for a comprehensive air conditioning and heating solution in Phoenix, Arizona.
At Rainforest Plumbing and Air in Phoenix, Arizona, we take pride in our work and always strive to exceed our customers' expectations. Whether you need routine maintenance, emergency repairs, or a complete system installation, we're here to help. Contact us today to experience the ultimate in home comfort in Phoenix, Arizona.